So, remember my grandparents' old day and night air conditioner. Very old vintage unit. It was one of the first videos on my channel. I filmed it when it was off in winter of 2018. And then I made another video of it running in like almost a year ago. And then I recently made a video of cleaning it back in June. Like, I cleaned it in June, but I recently uploaded the video. And in that video's description, I announced some sad news. As of the 11th, today is September 17th, I believe. And as of the 11th, the day and night's compressor has failed. They called the HVAC techs the next day. The compressor had bad terminals. They gave them the choice to replace the compressor or replace the air conditioner. And they chose to replace the air conditioner. So, my grandparents' day and night air conditioner has been replaced. And here is the new unit. It's a Tempstar. And no, I did not recommend them Tempstar just because that I have one. Tempstar just happened to be the brand that the HVAC company they called installs. So, just a coincidence. But, brand new Tempstar performance air conditioner. So, here's a first look at it. The day and night furnace is still there. They just replaced the condenser and the evaporator coil. Here is the data sheet. Brand new 2021 2-ton air conditioner. Copeland scroll compressor. Here's down there. This is a straight cool unit just like the old one. This thing does not want to focus. There it goes. It's an Emerson Copeland scroll. And it's got a broad ocean fan motor. It has been running. I will get a startup and shutdown video of this, so stay tuned for this sharp startup shutdown. And this unit was just installed yesterday, Thursday the 16th. Brand new unit. Just installed yesterday. There's the data again. This is a 13 SEER unit from 2021, and it's a 2-ton. It has been running. As I said, I'll get a startup shutdown. New filter dryer. And remember that old box that was locked shut? Well, brand new disconnect too. Brand new Midwest disconnect box. So there's the new disconnect. No energy guide, but by the model N4A3, this is a 13 SEER. I like its blades. But yep. Sad that that vintage unit got replaced. Van Berg says it was from 1969, and that's believable. 1969, I can believe that. The day and night was really old. So, my grandparents' air conditioner got replaced with a brand new 2021 Tempstar air conditioner. This is a 2-ton unit, just like the old day and night. So, this is the condenser. We'll go look at the evaporator now, the new evaporator. And one more thing. See this? Before, the day and night was so old that the condensation just went into buckets, and they had to empty buckets for their condensation. So they've installed a new condensation pump. And this is the line. This is the condensation line. That it pumps the condensation out, and it drains right there. So now we'll go look at the evaporator. The furnace is still there. They only replaced the evaporator. The old day and night furnace that I got to start up and shut down up in 2018. So, that being said, let's go look at the evaporator coil. Alright. Here's the new evaporator. There's the pump there. Here's the condensate line. Goes into the pump, and then the pump pumps this all the way up to outside. So, here is the new evaporator coil. Furnace is still the same. Might recognize this. the old day and night furnace. I did get a startup and shutdown of this. But yep, same furnace, new evap. There's the new refrigerant lines. Yep, and just installed yesterday. Today's the 17th. New AC unit. And here are the ICP papers. From the new unit. And there's the condensate pump paper. So, yep, ICP. Tempstar air conditioner. So yep, there it is. So, my grandparents' day and night air conditioner has been replaced with a very nice new Tempstar air conditioner. Just like mine. It's pretty cool that they got a Tempstar too. Now we both have Tempstars. But yep, pretty sad news. Vintage day and night air conditioner got replaced. It's from 1969, I believe. But it's not all sad, because there is some good news. So here's my ream. And now I will reveal the good news. Yep, I got the old unit. So here it is, sitting by my ream. So now I've got 2 scrap units. So, it's not gone. It's with me now. But here it is. And there's the compressor that failed. Those terminals went bad, I believe. The windings. But yep. There's where the wires used to be. And there's the cut-off lines. But yeah. It's now a scrap unit. I don't really plan on scrapping it though. Same goes for my ream. I may, like, someday, but not anytime soon. So yep. Good news. I was able to get the old unit. Alright, I won't keep this video too long. But, yep, out.